Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating multiple Instagram accounts on the Instagram app for PC with the latest update. Whether you need a personal account, a business page, or just want to separate your interests, these simple steps will show you exactly how to set everything up. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Once the app loads, look for the option to sign up. This is where you'll begin creating your new account. Next, choose whether you want to sign up with your email address or your phone number. Both options work the same way, so pick whichever is most convenient for you. After entering your details, Instagram will guide you to a form where you'll need to fill in the required fields, such as your name, username, and password. Once everything is complete, simply click on Sign Up to create your first account. Now that your account is set up, let's move on to adding more. Look over to the left side menu in the Instagram PC app and click on More. From here, scroll down until you see the option to log out. Confirm that step, and you'll be signed out of your account. Once you're logged out, you'll be taken back to the front screen of Instagram where you can repeat the process we just went through. Click on Sign Up, select your email address or phone number, fill in the required information, and hit Sign Up again. This will create another separate account. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, depending on how many Instagram accounts you need. Each account must have a different email address or phone number, so make sure you have those prepared before setting up new profiles. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily manage multiple Instagram accounts right from your PC. It's a smooth and efficient way to separate your personal life, professional projects, or hobbies, all while staying organized on the same app.